Leonardo da Vinci lived during the Italian Renaissance, from April 15, 1452 to May 2, 1519, a life spanning the late 15th and early 16th centuries, where he excelled as an artist, inventor, and scientist. He was born near Vinci, Italy, and died in France, leaving behind a legacy as the quintessential Renaissance man, known for works like the Mona Lisa and The Last Supper. Have you ever wondered what makes a genius like Leonardo da Vinci tick? He wasn't just a painter or an inventor. He was a master thinker who asked questions that changed the world. Welcome to Great Minds Ask Great Questions, where we'll dive into how you can think like Leonardo. Based on Michael J. Gelb's book, How to Think Like Leonardo da Vinci, we'll explore his 7 principles. These aren't dusty old ideas. They're tools to level up your life, spark creativity, and tackle challenges head-on. You'll walk away with tips to try today. Let's get curious. Principle 1. Curiosità. That's Italian for curiosity, an endless hunger to learn and question everything. Leonardo filled thousands of notebook pages with sketches, ideas, and why questions. Why do birds fly? How does light work? For you, this means ditching boredom and embracing wonder. Start a question journal. Every day, jot down 3 questions about something that puzzles you, like why does social media make me feel anxious? Or how can I build a better skateboard? Research one and share with friends. It turns ordinary days into adventures. Next up, Dimostrazione, meaning demonstration or proving things through experience. Leonardo didn't just read books. He tested ideas, dissected bodies, and learned from failures. Remember his flying machines? They crashed a lot, but each flop taught him something. When facing a tough homework problem or a failed group project, don't give up. Experiment. Try different study methods like flashcards versus videos and track what works. Mistakes aren't the end. They're your best teachers. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this mess? Principle 3. Sensazione, sharpening your senses. Leonardo trained his eyes, ears, and even taste to notice details others missed. That's why his paintings, like the Mona Lisa, feel so alive. In a world of screens, take a sensory walk. Put down your phone, head outside, and describe what you see, hear, smell, maybe the rustle of leaves or the pattern in a cloud. Tip: apply to art class or photography. Notice textures in your drawings to make them pop. This boosts focus and creativity, helping with everything from sports to relationships. Now, Sfumato, embracing the smoky haze of uncertainty. Life's full of paradoxes, like being excited and scared about college. Leonardo captured this in his art with soft edges, showing that not everything is black and white. When stressed about decisions, like choosing electives or dealing with friend drama, sit with the ambiguity. Journal pros and cons, then ask, what's the worst that could happen? It builds resilience. Remember, great questions like, what if I'm wrong, lead to breakthroughs. Principle 5. Arte e Scienza, blending art and science. Leonardo was a whole-brain thinker. Logic meets imagination. He designed bridges while painting masterpieces. In school, connect subjects. Sketch a diagram for your biology notes or write a story about history events. Tip: start a project like building a model solar system with artistic flair. Ask, how can I make this logical and beautiful? It makes learning fun and prepares you for real-world jobs. Corporality, caring for your body. Leonardo stayed fit, practiced fencing, and even became ambidextrous. A healthy body fuels a sharp mind. Build habits like daily stretches or trying to write with your non-dominant hand for fun. Eat balanced meals and get moving. Maybe dance to your favorite playlist. Question: what does my body feel today and what does it need? This boosts energy for school, hobbies, and dreaming big. Finally, Connessione, seeing connections everywhere. Leonardo understood everything's linked, like ecosystems or ideas in his notebooks. Think systems. When solving a problem, like team conflict, map out how parts connect. Create a mind map for your next essay, linking ideas with arrows. Ask, how does this relate to that? It sparks innovation and helps you see the big picture in life. Phew, that's Leonardo's 7 principles in action. By asking great questions and applying these, you're not just thinking like a genius, you're becoming one. Gelb's book is a great read for more, but start small today. What's one principle you'll try? Share in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Great minds ask great questions. Keep questioning, keep creating,